Every society of the written word needs at its core a national library. Why? For several reasons. One, because a national library is the memory of that society. That society that works through the written word needs the written word to remind itself of its past experience. Second, it is a place of evidence. It's a place where the documents that answer the questions that the society is asking are available for consultation for everyone. Thirdly, the combination of memory and evidence produces an identity of that society reflected in the books and documents of the library. Fourthly, a library, contrary to mistaken assumptions, is not only a place for books, of course. Since Alexandria, a library was always a médiathèque, as the French call it. It has manuscripts, it has print, it has objects, it has maps, it has photographs, it has recordings, and as from the 20th century onwards, it has the digital recordings of the text and images. So a library is the reproduction of the experience of a society, and it is absolutely necessary for it to exist at the core of a society as a symbol of that society. Future generations will need the National Library to imagine other possibilities for the society to survive. The National Library is a source of inspiration, and long may it last.